Good morning, students. In last class, we have discussed regarding the listening, what is listening, and what is hearing, and what are the difference between listening and hearing. In this class, I am going to let you know about the levels of listening. Listening at the workplace means understanding the needs, demands, and preferences of your stakeholders through the direct interaction. Means listening is a skill in which you are going to listen about the your needs or your demands or your preferences from your stakeholders, and stakeholders could be anyone. He may be your boss, he may be your clients, customer, co-workers, upper managements, anyone could be the stakeholders. So basically listening is your needs to listen from your stakeholders. Basically there are two types of listening. First one is active listening. Active listening means you are going to make eye contact with your stakeholders, and you are showing your good body postures, and you are showing that you are interested in listening from your stakeholders. So basically you are showing your eye contacts and body language which reflects that you are interested and you are listening actively. So these kinds of listeners are known as active listeners. Second is reflection. Reflection is again the same process, but it is going to be happened from the your stakeholders. And when speaker tells you anything about any topics to you, and when you are showing your interest, you are showing your eye contacts, and you are showing your body posture, it means you are reflecting to that listening points. So these kinds of listeners is known as reflections. What are the stages of listening process? The first stage is hearing, means you are using your physical body parts, that is ear, to listen something from your stakeholders. Second stage is focusing on the message. So whatever you have listened through your ear, so in that case you need to use your mind to focus on the message. The third step, comprehending and interpreting. So again you are using your mind to interpret that sounds, that voice in the respected reply. The fourth point is again you are using your mind to analyze and evaluate that message, that response. After analyzing and evaluating, you are going to respond it to your stakeholders. In that case, you are using your tongue to respond to your stakeholders. And the last point is remembering. Whatever you have responded or whatever you have heard through first stage, and throughout all the stages till the responding, you have to remember through your mind. So these are the stages of listening process. So go through it and let me know if you have any doubts. You can ask me. Thank you so much.